Hi there guys and gals. I decided to take this out because I'm still full. So it's bad to be a glutton. And then I'm gonna eat this later this evening when I feel hungry. So I'll just take this out and then I'm gonna give this apron back to my client. So sad for others who doesn't avail for the free chicken because when they cut it off and then after a while there are some people who wanted to avail, so they had their chances. They tried their best to have this free chicken and they've got their chances. They're still lucky. So bye for now. There she is, the one that I borrowed her.
Ay, andito pala yung apron. Welcome to my vlog.
She's the one that I borrowed this apron. Dai.
Bakit ko dyan?
Oh, ganun
Why
talaga.
I'm so white? Oh,
You're
my
Snow
God.
White because you're Snow White.
Ah, thank you very much.
Bye.